Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyanka Mehta. Today I'm going to talk to you about food myths in pregnancy. The moment the urine pregnancy test becomes positive, everyone in the house, your mom, your dad, your grandmom, they come and tell you, eat this, don't eat this, and you're so confused. So, what do you need to eat? What do you not supposed to eat? And how much to eat? I get so many questions, and so I thought I should put it all in a video so that I can reach out to so many of you out there. So please like, subscribe, and share and comment also, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So the basic thing is carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are the rice that you eat and the wheat or the ragi or the other cereals that you eat, and that forms 70% of your diet. So it is important that you have a combination of all the different kind of cereals. Proteins. So for those of you who take non-vegetarian diet, it's a good idea to continue non-vegetarian food, but it's good to avoid very heavy, spicy, oily food and restrict the number of times you eat the food to probably 2 or 3 times in a week. Vegetarian protein comes from dal, comes from milk, comes from paneer. So make sure you have included a lot of that, and that is not to be avoided in pregnancy. The next question we get is about milk and cheese and curd. So can we have milk? Milk is absolutely essential in pregnancy. It's important that you take 2 or 3 cups in a day. Curd doesn't cause cold, especially if you take fresh curd which is made in the morning, and you can take it in the afternoon. So that's a very good source of probiotics. Probiotic is something which is a good bacteria in your stomach. So you have to take a lot of curd in pregnancy. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, I get so many questions. Can I have a papaya? Can I have green grapes? Can I have mango? So excess of anything is bad. But if you take a lot of citrus fruits like oranges, you take apple, you take a banana, a pomegranate, even papaya and pineapple in the Western countries, nobody stops them. So there is no harm in taking any kind of fruit, provided you take it in the right quantity. And instead of taking a juice, you take a fresh whole fruit along with the roughage. That is, if you make juice out of it, then you are taking out a lot of the roughage. So it's important that you take at least 5 kinds of fruits or veggies in a day. Drink a lot of water. I see a lot of girls who get urine infection because they're not drinking enough water. So keep an alarm bell, or so that you remember how much water you need to drink. What about outside food? Tea, coffee. I'm addicted to Starbucks. What do I do? So you cannot still stay addicted to coffee and tea, but you need to definitely cut down on the amount of caffeine you're taking and the amount of tea that you're taking, because it may increase gastritis, which is again a problem during pregnancy. So make sure that your tea and your coffee is limited to 1 or 2 cups in a day, and also you are not taking very dark coffee and very high amounts of caffeine. Fizzy drinks again are an absolute no-no, because then you don't know how these things affect the baby. Important thing again is outside food, burger, pasta, pizza, all of these. So these have a lot of cheese, popcorn, cinema halls, lot of salt, lot of added preservatives and colors. So it's a good idea that you cut it down to as least as possible, and you are allowed to cheat maybe once or twice in a week, or once in 2 weeks, but then don't make it a habit out of it, and try to keep away from all kind of processed and packaged food. Another question is how much water to drink. So that again is 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Keep an alarm on your phone, or ask your partner to text you every hour so that you remember how much water to drink. Any other questions that you have? Nuts. So then again, you can take walnuts, you can take badam, you can take anjeer, you can take dates, but again maybe 5 or 6 in a day, because excess of anything does harm. So I'll be happy to answer any questions. I am at Diva Women's Clinic in Chennai, and you can add your comments, share the video, and let's talk more about what to do and what not to do. Have a nice day.